Looking for the best engine oil additive that are actually worth your money? Today, I've picked the top 5 best engine oil additive that are available in the market right now based on quality, performance, and customer reviews. You can find the latest prices and product links in the description below. Let's get started, starting with our first pick, Leaky Moly Engine Oil Additive. This motor oil formula is designed for reliable performance across a wide range of driving conditions, making it a practical choice for everyday vehicles and demanding applications alike. Its broad compatibility allows it to mix safely with commercially available motor oils, offering flexibility when topping up or switching products. The formulation remains stable under high thermal stress and continuous dynamic loads, helping maintain consistent lubrication and engine protection during extended operation, heavy workloads, and temperature extremes. Another key advantage is its deposit-resistant performance, which helps keep internal engine components cleaner and support smoother operation over time. It is also compatible with commonly used oil filter systems, reducing concerns about filtration performance or maintenance compatibility. With strong resistance to both extremely high and low temperatures, this oil is built to deliver dependable protection across changing climates and challenging operating environments. Next up is Lucas Oil Engine Oil Additive. Positioned as the world's #1 oil additive, this petroleum-based formula is designed to support smoother engine performance and dependable protection across a wide range of driving conditions. Made with 100% petroleum, it offers a straightforward solution for motorists looking to enhance their engine oil's performance without complicated applications. Its compatibility with new engines makes it a versatile option for both modern vehicles and routine maintenance needs. The multi-use formulation adds further convenience, allowing it to serve various engine care purposes while helping reduce friction and promote smoother operation. Trusted by professional users for demanding conditions, it is designed to help engines perform reliably under heavy workloads and challenging operating environments. Available in both 1 quart and 1 gallon bottles, it provides flexible purchasing options for individual vehicle owners as well as those who need a larger supply for regular automotive maintenance. Coming in at number 3 is DNL Engine Oil Additive. Bestline Racing Diamond Nano Lube is a high-performance engine treatment designed to create a friction-reducing film over its diamond nano coating, helping protect metal surfaces and support smoother engine operation. Its concentrated formula is suitable for gasoline, diesel, hybrid, and racing engines, making it versatile enough for motorcycles, cars, classic vehicles, race cars, and commercial trucks. The treatment combines cleaning detergents with protective additives to help remove existing sludge, limit new deposit formation, and neutralize acidic oil breakdown. Its extreme heat resistance is rated to maintain lubrication integrity up to 1,800 degrees Fahrenheit 982 degrees Celsius, while its boundary layer protection and surface polishing action aim to reduce friction and engine noise. It may also help restore performance in high-mileage vehicles by supporting smoother operation and potentially returning lost power. For best results, use 1 bottle for every 5 quarts of engine oil, ideally at each oil change. Now number 4, Arch Oil Engine Oil Additive. This HUE stiction treatment is a versatile solution for improving engine performance, particularly in 6.0L and 7.3L power stroke systems where injector stiction can contribute to cold start misfires, rough idling, and sluggish response. One 16-ounce bottle treats a 13 to 16 quart oil capacity, making it convenient for a complete treatment. Beyond power stroke applications, it is suitable for gasoline and diesel engines, motorcycles, limited slip differentials, and various fluid systems when used at the recommended dosage. By reducing friction, the formula helps improve throttle response, drivability, and overall smoothness. Its lubricating barrier is designed to protect components against wear while helping reduce operating noise, vibration, and heat, especially under demanding loads. For engines and different applications, following the specified treatment rates is essential for optimal results and compatibility. And finally, our last pick is Hot Shot Secret Engine Oil Additive. This advanced engine treatment is designed to address noisy or sticking lifters by improving oil flow and circulation to critical valve train components, helping restore smoother operation and engine performance. It can reduce persistent lifter tick and engine noise by enhancing lubricity, particularly in modern gasoline engines with sophisticated valve train systems. The formula features proprietary FR3 nanotechnology, which is claimed to reduce friction and wear by up to 30% compared with untreated full synthetic motor oil, helping protect camshafts, lifters, and other moving components. It also works to clean harmful deposits, including carbon, burnt oil, and varnish that can accumulate from heat stress and restricted oil circulation. By helping clear oil passage buildup and restore proper lifter function, this treatment may support quieter operation, improved responsiveness, and better long-term protection against accelerated internal engine wear. So those were the top 5 best engine oil additive you can buy right now. If this video helped you make a better buying decision, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest reviews. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching.